Hello to my viewers. My topic today is about radicals. This is intended for grade 9. So I have here number 1, square root of 3a plus a equals 4. The question is find the value of a. So first thing to do, I need to square both sides. So radical sign or symbol will be eliminated. So I have 3a plus a is equals to 4 squared is equals to 4 times 4. And then this is equal to 16. So this will be 16. And then 3a plus a, that will be 4a, is equals to 16. Then to solve the value of a, I need to divide by 4 both sides. So cross out. So a, 16 divided by 4 is 4. So the value of a is 4. Now check this value with if this is correct. So how to check? So I need to substitute a equals to 4 to the given equation. So the given equation is square root of 3a plus a is equals to 4. So square root of 3 times 4 plus 4. And then this is equal to 4. Square root of this is 12 plus 4 is equals to 4. So 12 plus 4 equals 16. And then this will be equal to 4. And then we know that square root of 16 equals to 4. So 4 equals to 4 is correct. So therefore, a equals to 4 is correct. Now let's proceed to number 2. Number 2, square root of 4x minus 5 plus 3 equals 10. I need to transpose 3, positive 3 to the right. So this will be square root of 4x minus 5 is equals to 10. As what I said, I need to transpose positive 3 to the right. So this will become negative 3. Then, copy again this square root of 4x minus 5. Then 10 minus 3 is 7. Then I need to apply squaring both sides. So I need to square both sides. So symbol will be eliminated. So this will be 4x minus 5. And then 7 squared, meaning 7 times 7 is equals to 49. So this is 49. And then copy 4x. 49 negative 5 transpose to the right. This will become positive 5. Then 4x. So 49 plus 5. This is 54. And then divide by 4 both sides. So x is equal to, since we cannot divide this one straight away because if we divide 54 by 4, I think there is decimal point. But we can reduce this one by dividing the numerator and denominator by 2. So 54 divided by 2, this is 27. And then 4 divided by 2 is 2. So the value of x for number 2 is 27 over 2. Now let us check this one. When x is equals to 27 over 2. So square root of 4 times 27 over 2 minus 5. Then plus 3 equals 10. This one reduce. This is 1. Divide by 2. This is 2. So square root of 2 times 27 minus 5 plus 3 equals 10. So 27 times 2. So this is 14. Carry 1. This is 54. Then square root minus 5 plus 3 is equals to 10. So what is 54 minus 5? Since 4 cannot be subtracted by 5. So I need to borrow from here 1. So this will be, the new number will be 4. And then I need to put beside 4. So this is 14. So 14 minus 5 is 9. And then bring down the new number, which is 4. So I have here square root of 49 plus 3 equals 10. So what is square root of 49? So square root of 49 is 7 plus 3 is equals to 10. So 7 plus 3 is 10 is equals to 10. So therefore, my value for x in number 2, 27 over 2 is correct. Now let's move to the last number, number 3. Number 3 is cube root of a plus 1 is equal to 2. So since this is cube root, so I need to cube both sides. So cube both sides. So this one also cube. So the symbol of cube root will be eliminated. So I have here a plus 1 is equals to 2 to the power of 3, meaning multiply itself 3 times. So this will be 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8. So this will be 8. And then solving for the value of a, so 8. I need to transpose positive 1 to the right. So this will become negative 1. So a is equals to 7. So the value of a in number 3 is 7. Now let us check. So cube root. I need to erase. Cube root of a is 7. And then plus 1 is equal to 2. So cube root 7 plus 1 is 8 is equals to 2. So cube root of 8, and we know that cube root of 8 is 2. And this is equal. So therefore, a equals 7 is correct. That's all for today's topic.